Hello. Today I will show you how to connect the TAI-PAN Real-Time Data Service to ATAS. After you have started the software, go to Connections. I'll delete these ones. So click on Add, then select TAI-PAN from the list. Next, you can then specify a name for this connection. Then you have received from us by email, usually a customer number and ID. You can enter it here. And you either receive the password from us or set it yourself. Enter it here, then click Finish, then click Connect. You see it is connected. Close and now you can open a chart as usual. Done. One more note from me. If the time is shifted here, for me, it was 2 hours. There are time zones in the settings. You can set it that it either according to the stock exchange or according to the symbol. And here I had zeros everywhere, and I then selected Eurex, went in here, clicked here, and then went to local time zone. This resulted in the two here, and then I had the, well, current trading time and not the one shifted by 2 hours. That's it.